improvising with some music.
Yeah.
With a C harp,
Yeah.
you're playing with somebody who's playing a G chord, right? Or I guess you could play.
If you're in second position, yes. If you're in
Yeah,
second position,
yeah, or in first.
have you got as far as miles course 23 in milestone 2 yet?
I don't know, not yet.
Because that goes into it.
Does it? Okay.
But all of the chugging stuff, you're playing along
Yes.
with a band.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, with a guy that I know that I can play with, yeah.
With the chugging stuff on the program.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's all with backing tracks. So that's the training is do it and experience it.
Gotcha.
If you're playing live, of course, it's different because you don't know what the person's going to do.
Yeah.
So if you're playing live with a person and you've got enough confidence to say, lay me out a little 12-bar blues in the key of G.
Sure.
Like a medium shuffle. If you've got that level of confidence, then what are they actually going to do? They might just do like a. So then, what's your role in this particular relationship, in this particular thing? Are you planning to be, and your role when you're playing in a band flits between numerous different things. So at one point you might be the soloist, the star, spotlight on you, everybody else is backing you up and you've got this whole show running. You might be in the backing, you might be like a rhythm player. So that might be your role permanently or temporarily. You might choose to be the bass player. So you sort of channel your inner bass player. Okay. You might channel your inner drummer. You might choose to be the drummer. If there isn't a drummer there, you might think, I'll just concentrate on doing what a drummer would do.
Sure.
You might be a horn section. So that's a role that you can take on. I do that in jam sessions a lot.
Yeah, but if I was just to get on YouTube just for fun one evening and just pick a backing track and just grab something and just start playing along and see what sounds good and what doesn't.
Yeah, blow the back off it.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's a lot of things I find with this is just trial and error and have fun with it.
But I would say, if you've got a nice backing track, why don't you say, okay, for the first 12 bars, I'm going to be the rhythm player.
Okay.
Only. And just experiment with being, or maybe the whole thing. So I'm going to be like Little Walter when he's not playing a solo. Little Walter when he's not playing a solo is a fantastic, he's comping, he's accompanying people. He's just like. He's not doing a lot, but it's important what he's doing.
Sure.
And then pick out another role. Say, right, I'll be the bass player. If you're onto single notes and you've reached blues level 2 in milestone 2, you might pick, if it's like a song that has a bass line that's of just choose a bass line. If you're familiar with the bass line.
Okay.
Like Last Night. So just experiment with all those different roles. You might be, if there's a solo going on, you might be Louis Armstrong to Ella Fitzgerald. She's singing Summertime, Da, 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 da. And Louis goes, "Ballon, fish are jumping, do 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 da," and he goes, "Do da 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 do da da da." He's building ramps for her to jump off.
Sure.
So take that role at some point. You might
Okay.
be a doo-wop singer. You might be trying to think of harmonies that go behind that. So your role in the band, and you're practicing. If you just have a backing track from YouTube, the practice is you're practicing to be playing live with other people, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's experiment with it, but I would do it mindfully. I would mindfully say, okay, this has got like 6 verses. I'm going to just be nothing. I'm going to be as sparse as possible and as little as possible. I'm just going to get the chords right. I'm
Gotcha.
just going to do a little bit of chugging on the correct chords with the timing, and just think of the timing. I think if you can get the rhythm is the most important thing in music, right? If you can get the rhythm right and the groove right, people will love you.
True.
But if you're being all flashy and all over the place,
Yeah.
less,
You're stepping on your feet then.
it doesn't really help unless you're exceptionally good, which none of us are. You've got to be exceptionally good to be all over people and get away with it, and super confident.
All right. Very good. Well, I
Does that help?
appreciate it. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Great question. Thanks, Jason.